Hi all, welcome to another episode of kamaltechvlog. In today's episode, we are going to do something different. I've got a new product over here. Let me show that. It's called a wristio smartwatch, and it has various other features which we are going to discuss, and we are going to unbox this completely, and we will check what it is useful for. And this is one of the most inexpensive products also. So stay with me. Let's start with the unboxing process. Okay, guys, so this is the product now. It's called Ristio 3. Feature savvy, pocket friendly. Let me just try to lift it up. Yeah. And this is the whole uh, phone box in which it has come. It's from the company Novita. And this is made in India. So that's one of the advantages. And you see the various features over here. It has heart rate monitor, password protection, IP67 water resistance. Then you have multiple watch faces, phone and music control. And this side you have split screen. The first one is split screen, then SPO2, multiple sports modes, daily steps counter, and up to 15 days battery life. So let me just open this. Okay, where is my trusty knife? Yeah, it's here. Let me just open this box and see what it is including, because any company can say whatever is there, but we do have to open and see that. I did purchase this from Amazon. Okay, now you can see the box clearly without the cover. It looks kind of good also without the cover. Okay. And this also has a BP monitor in it. For this price, it is good. And there's an offer going on. The actual price of this is about 7,000 or 9,000 something. But for standard starting offer, introduction offer, they're giving it for 1,500 for this watch. It might even be worth just 6,000 or 5,000 bucks, but then too it's worth it. Okay, so this is the watch. As you can see, the watch is inside, kept like this. Let's unbox it and see what all is there inside this. This is the cover. Inside is the watch. You have the QR code to register the product. Let's keep it aside. And you also have a charger. Let me just take out the charger. Okay, it is the magnetic charger which you get along with most of the smartwatches. Let me open this up. Keep it here. Let me try to start this up. If there is any battery, it would start, or else I do have to go ahead and put it on start. Okay, it has started. There is some battery in it, as you can see. Okay, there are so many monitors in it, and there are various watch screens which you can go ahead and customize according to your need. So let me go one by one slowly for you. There are various watch screens. You can customize. You can even make a phone call from this. And if you go into the apps over here, okay, that's the app download for it. App download. Okay. Oh, it's just like a smartphone. So it's easy. Okay, when you press this button over here, this for power on, but when you press this button, you will go inside the app menu to select any of the apps you want. And that's blood oxygen level, BP, everything is present over here. Let me check this. What is this? Yeah, that's the blood pressure. Not bad at all. Let me go back. So there is a torch also. And if you slide from this way to this way, you'll be able to come. There are many things in this watch. Like you can access your Twitter account, you can access your Skype account, you can see weather, you can make phone calls, you have Facebook, power is there, you can set your alarms, and you do have a. Okay, let me just. Okay, I've not set the date till now, so it's showing like that. So this is the main screen, and there's about 90% battery something, so that's not a problem. It's Wednesday, and I do have to set the time now before I do anything, and it's not Wednesday while I'm shooting this. But you do have various watch faces over here, and once I download the app, I'll be able to go ahead and check that. But you do have heart rate monitor, location navigation, you have steps, you have calorie control, you have mile, you have various about 60 sports mode, step counter, distance calculation, everything is there in this watch. And you're getting this watch, this normal watch, sensor watch, if you see. This normal watch you're getting only for 1,500 rupees in Amazon. So that's not a bad deal at all. So if you see this smartwatch, you're getting for just uh, in a fraction of price, but for just about 1,500 rupees. Whereas if you go to buy this offline, you'd be spending a lot. And in this price segment, let me test it out for a few days and let me see that. I think so. This watch is a good watch, and the battery life will last for you from about 4 to 6 days, and the standby time is about 15 days. For 1,500, that's a great deal because normal China watches which you buy, it's about 499, 399 rupees. You can get it till 600 rupees also. But the problem is they do lack the battery and they don't have battery in them. Not even a day they last. This lasts for 3 to 4 days or even 6 days, depending on your usage. Plus, you can access your camera, you can check your phone records, you have Twitter, you can check your blood pressure. That's one of the best things why I bought that for checking my own blood pressure. You can check your calorie burn. You can keep yourself healthy. You can also do your sleep monitor. You can check your heart rate. You can check your BP, BPM. You can check your steps for the day. Everything which is available in a smart health suite of a smartwatch is available in it, like Amazfit or anything which has that. It's available in it. So let me again tell you the brand. It's there in Amazon, and it's having its introductory offer going on. They are not sponsored this video, but I would say for you to go ahead and try it out. It's called wristio 3, and it's from the company Novita. It's made in India. There is another watch which I have purchased. It's called as Crossbeats Ignite. Even that is a good option if you have a bigger budget than 1,500. You can go for it comes around 2,000 bucks on Amazon, and even that has the same features as this. Uh, Apart from the Bluetooth calling, only this has the Bluetooth calling, but that has the other features included in it. But I think that also has the Bluetooth calling also in it. So you can even compare those two in Amazon and buy it. So one would be Ristio 3, and the other one would be Ignite. That's called as Crossbeat Ignite Lite. That comes around 2,000 bucks in a introductory offer for that also. So both are good companies. That is made in China, but this is made in India. That's why I bought this one. So you can try both the options. And if you like this video and if you like the product, do go ahead and check it out on Amazon. It's called wristio. Let me just show that again to you. It's called wristio 3 and it's from Novita. Just put wristio 3, you'll be able to pick it up. So you have various features in this, and I did show you some of them which I could, but you can just go ahead and check out all the features online for this. Until next time, this is Kamal and you're watching Kamal Tech Vlog, and you do have a wonderful day there.